Welcome to How We Roll Auto.
The old Harbor Freight Special, Chicago Electric. Well, how we roll. There's that sun again. Alrighty, and okie dokie. So, if you watched the last video, you know I'm having problems with the starter lining up. Tried to shim it 4 different times. That wasn't working. Kept grinding. So, this video, we're going to try to do that again, but a different way. So, I was shimming it on both bolts. I did some research, and I think I have to shim it on the outside bolt to tilt it in more to get the teeth to grab. So, that's what we're going to attempt to try to do here first. And then, if that works, we'll continue with trying to get this bad bear on the road. Well, on its tires anyway. Alright, cool. Maybe I shouldn't have turned that camera on yet down there. But we'll get it. We will get it. Going under for the wonder. This feels familiar. Let's take this out of here. Oh, I should have got I need a drill bit. I should get that first. Let me get that first. Nothing like being prepared. Oh. Oh. Okay, okay. Get this. Drill bit in here. It's starting to make sense. So, I don't know if I can show you this or not. So in there, from what I've read, let's see if I can grab this damn. Oh, this is not easy. So you're only supposed to have an 1/8 inch drill bit that you could put between this shaft and the teeth here. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing or not. And there's a lot of room there. There's a lot of room. So we'll shim up the one side only. Of course, if I take these shims out, it'll probably drop it down. So let's probably do that first. This will come out. Now, where the shim's at? Oh my God. Oh, well, I just had one in there. Okay, so let's do. I have a total of 4 shims available here. That came with it, but I can't reach. So I'm gonna stick these 4 together. Just trying to do this one bolt. See if that makes a difference. The outside bolt. I'll loosen this a little bit more, I think. I'll loosen it a little bit more. Perfect. Now I just gotta get this in here. Let's give this a go. Now let me tighten that up and we'll check the clearance again. Okay. we'll give it a shot. What do we got to lose, people? What do we got to lose? All right. That sounded like garbage. That sounded like garbage. Hot garbage. Something wrong there. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay. Get my cameras, turn my lights off. Go topside for a little bit. Okay. Check this out with a multimeter. AC volts. Okay. I can't see nothing. I can't see squat. Diddly squat. Ow. That was convenient. Conveniently fell over on me. Should be good there. I got nothing. Yeah, turd. Oh, I hooked that. I hooked on the right one. Dang it. This is impossible. Give me my arm. Alright. Okay, what I'm doing here is see if when you turn the ignition, if we got power to the small terminal on the starter. AC, DC. That should be good there. Gotta do this quick because this dang thing wants to. Oh, Jesus. Cheap Chinesian gloves. Alright, so here's what I'm coming up with. The exciter wire off the starter, when you crank it, is just open loop. It's not getting enough charge or enough voltage really to crank the starter fast enough. I've searched for the voltage regulator. It looks like the voltage regulator is inside the alternator, so I'm going to take the alternator off and take it down to the parts store and have them test it and see if that's good or bad. And hopefully it's bad, and then I just get a new one and bring it in and we go from there. But that's where I am right now. All the grounds seem to be good. I got continuity on those, so just troubleshooting. Gotta love electrical. I'd rather, you know, hit myself in the privates with a ball-peen hammer than do this, but you know, I don't have a ball-peen hammer, so here we go. Got ourselves a lovely 1/2 inch in there, because why would you want to use the same size hardware on the entire thing, right? Why would you want to do that? I don't need an extension. Okay. This one long enough? Let's see here. Stand corrected. I kneel down to pick this up corrected. Alright, it is 9/16. Don't I feel like an idiot on camera? Not any more than normal. Too much fun. Okay. Because I'm lazy. That's one way to do it. Didn't say it was the right way. Alright, let's disconnect the wires. When you're lazy like me, probably be a lot quicker if I actually got the right tool, but no. I will get a, probably should have disconnected that. What the smart people do. Come on. Yahtzee. That there. Leave that there so I lose it. 10 millimeter. Of course it's 10 millimeter. Oh yeah, I remember I put this on here just to get us by. Is that 10 millimeters long? Yeah, of course it is. Alright, so I need two 10s. I'm going to put this here. This is going to the parts store to get tested. This, I'm going to clean up. Clean up the paint because I can't stand it. I can't stand this nasty, ugly, pitted chrome. You're going up? Coming down. Probably shouldn't hold this yet, but hey, whatever. Alright, I'll do it the smart way. Looks like poop. Okay. Drop a little primer on her. Clean my hands, I'm off to the parts store. Boop. Alright, before I go to the parts store, because I'm not going to take you there with me. Let me grab these tires off of here real quick and see if, check out what kind of brakes we got going on, how bad the fronts are. I already pulled the passenger rear off when I had to pull it out of the barn because it was totally froze up. I had to beat that drum off, ripped all the hardware off. I got new shoes and hardware for it. I want to check out the drums and see if I take them down. I might as well drop them off and get them turned while I'm there if they need it. And then check out the fronts. All right. Spinning, spinning. Spinning's winning. No, it's not. All right. Now that you're totally nauseous, you're welcome. I will take these tires off.